Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make crispy garlic lime mint chicken. That's a lot of different flavors, and you'll be able to taste every one of them. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. Start off with a whole chicken, about 4 pounds or 1.8 kilos. Take the backbone out. You can save this in the freezer for when you make chicken stock. Turn the chicken over and press on the breastbone to flatten the chicken. For the marinade, we'll need lime zest, peeled garlic cloves, cut the limes up and juice them, ground cumin seeds, green chili for heat. You can use a habanero or small green chilies. I took the seeds out of this habanero and tasted it. It's not very spicy, so I'll use the seeds in the marinade. If you want it mild, use 1 chili, and if you like it spicier, use a few. We'll also need fresh mint leaves, salt, and vegetable oil. I'll grind all these ingredients in my food processor. With the processor running, put the garlic cloves in and the chili. Now add the mint, lime zest, lime juice, salt, ground cumin, and vegetable oil. Grind this to a paste. Get a dish to marinate the chicken in. You can also put the chicken in a zip bag. Rub the marinade all over the chicken. Open up the skin with your fingers, get under it, and rub the marinade all over the meat. Turn the chicken over and rub the marinade all over. Get under the skin and put the marinade on the thighs and legs as best as you can. Cover the chicken and leave in the fridge overnight or a minimum of 8 hours. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken on an oiled tray. Cook in the heated oven for approximately an hour. Depending on the size of the chicken, it could take an hour or up to an hour and a half. 2 or 3 times during cooking, baste the chicken with the oil and juices on the tray. My chicken took 1 hour and 20 minutes. During the last 10 minutes of cooking, I increased the oven heat to 475 degrees to have a nice golden brown chicken. If you live in an apartment, the smoke alarm may go off, so you can skip the high heat. The skin will still be crispy. This is one of my favorite marinades. The skin is not just crispy, it has so much flavor from the garlic, lime, and mint. The meat is very juicy. With this simple marinade, you can make an amazing roasted chicken easily. I'm sure if you try this once, you'll definitely make it again. Leave your comments below and share this video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.